Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and in today's video, I will be showing you different AI image generator that is possibly better than Midjourney. Now, as you may know, you cannot go ahead and use Midjourney for free. That's why we need to go ahead and talk about the free AI image generator alternatives. If we go ahead and browse through their pricing right here, their basic plan is around $10, which is a lot for a lot of people. So for the first AI image generator that we have, we are going to talk about Leonardo AI. Now, I've been using Leonardo AI for a lot now. I've been using it to generate my own art, and I've been experimenting with this tool a lot. So of course, you need to go ahead and log in your account. I prefer to use my Google right here, or if you don't have an account yet, just go ahead and click create an account and you should be good to go. So once you have logged in inside your account, you will be greeted with 150 credits. Now these credits will reset every 24 hours, so there's nothing to really worry about. Now for Leonardo AI, this has a lot of features like image generation, real-time canvas, canvas editor, motion, and real-time generation. You can go ahead and watch your ideas come to life with motion. You can edit, refine, add details with the canvas editor. You can create and transform your sketches into art in real time with real-time canvas, and you can allow for real-time generation while you type on the real-time generation feature. So once you're here, you will be presented with the recent creation of other users. Of course, you could go ahead and take some inspiration from these creations right here. For example, I have this art right here, high quality, 8K. I could just go ahead and copy the exact same prompt. I could also go ahead and see the properties of this image right here, and to go ahead and generate our own art, I'm just gonna go ahead and click image generation right here, and this is basically where you could go ahead and create your own prompt. Now when I am creating my prompt, I want to go ahead and use ChatGPT. So I'll just head over to ChatGPT here. Now as you can see, it generated this whole line right here, and what you could go ahead and do is to go ahead and summarize this into 10 lines or maybe less than 10 lines. So I'll just go ahead and type summarize into 10 lines or less. And of course, you could go ahead and edit some of the elements that we have right here, but I'm gonna go ahead and copy the entire prompt, and I'll just go ahead and paste it straight up. So right after that, of course, you have your properties. For example, you have the number of images, you have the version of photo reel, which is their feature. You could just go ahead and experiment this on your own. You have your alchemy, prompt magic, public image, image dimensions, and more. And of course, the most important thing of all is the fine-tune model. I'm just gonna go ahead and choose this fine-tune model right here, which is Leonardo Diffusion XL. Now this will usually impact the result of your art because it will use different model every time you choose different styles right here. For example, we have the 3D animation style, we have the anime, pastel, dream, and more. And lastly, you have your Leonardo style, and you have your elements. Now I'm gonna go ahead and talk about elements later, but for now, let's go ahead and generate this prompt right here. So I'll just go ahead and click on generate, and it will go ahead and generate the prompt for us. And within a second, it has managed to generate this very realistic prompt right here. As you could go ahead and see, this is a very realistic portrait of a fluffy white dog. So this is the first image and this is the second image. Now, what's great about Leonardo AI is that they have this tool where you can go ahead and enhance the photo straight up. So as you can go ahead and see right here, we have the alchemy upscaler, and by the way, you also have the remove background feature. I'll just go ahead and use the upscaler here, and you could go ahead and choose the refiner strength. I'll just go ahead and leave mine at default, which is the medium option. And after that, just go ahead and click on upscale, and it will go ahead and upscale that certain image for free. And this is the final and the upscaled version that we got. As you can see, it's completely different from the first image, so this is entirely a game changer for people who want to use AI for their art generation. Now once again, as I've mentioned, you could go ahead and choose your fine-tuned model. So for example, if I change it into something like animal pastel, it will completely provide us with a whole different result. I'll go ahead and generate with anime pastel dream, and I'll also animate with 3D animation style. And this is the anime pastel dream result. As you can see, it's completely different from the previous one. And lastly, we have the 3D animation style. And once again, you could just go ahead and use the upscaler in order to further enhance these photos. Now, you could just go ahead and experiment with this tool, but with all that being said, let's go ahead and proceed with the next one. Now for the next tool, we have Ideogram. Now this is something that is very unique. As you may know, most of the AI image generation tool cannot go ahead and generate text. But with this AI tool right here, you could definitely go ahead and generate text using this AI tool right here. So once again, just go ahead and sign up using your Google account if you don't have an account yet. And just like the previous tool that we have used, we are going to be presented with the recent creations right here. Right now, we are inside the trending page, and I'm gonna go ahead and show some of this to you in order to show you the power of this AI tool right here. For example, we have these logos right here. We have the team top hat. We also have this logo right here where it says Imperial Collection. You could just go ahead and browse through millions of creations right here, and you could go ahead and see that most of the people that are using this tool are generally using this tool in order to generate text, because that's what's special using Ideogram. Now for the next tool, we have playgroundai.com. Now this is not just an AI generation tool, this is also an editor built in, and this tool has a lot of features. As you could go ahead and see when you scroll down right here, you could go ahead and see the different features that we could go ahead and use. We have the erase the unnecessary, where you could go ahead and erase things inside your photos, maybe erase some people or maybe erase some unnecessary things inside your photos. We have this one where fits object into any scene, and we also have sketch your ideas into reality, where you mark out a specific place and you could go ahead and generate an art inside that marked place. And once again, just go ahead and sign up using your Google account if you don't have one yet. So this is their menu right here. This is where you could go ahead and generate your AI image. So once again, I'm gonna go ahead and use my ChatGPT prompt right here. I'll just go ahead and copy this prompt, and I'll go ahead and paste it inside the prompt tab right here. So I'll just go ahead and click on generate, and this is the result that we got. Once again, you could just go ahead and choose models right here, just like Leonardo AI. So right now, I am inside Mysterious version 4. And what's special about this AI tool, when I want to go ahead and add something right here, for example, I want to add something like frog right here, so I'll just go ahead and change this entire prompt. I'll just go ahead and type out whatever I want to put inside the photo. So I'll just go ahead and add frog, very simple prompt, and it will try to go ahead and add that in for me. So instead of being a frog, I just managed to put grass right here because I'm trying to experiment on the different models that they have right here. So once again, there's a lot to explore inside this AI tool. So guys, thank you for watching, and if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time. Thank you.